Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? So for today's video, we're wrapping up the end of the year. It's coming towards the end of 2021. So I figured we could do a end of the year favorites video. So I'm actually sitting down and filming two videos today. So I'm filming this one first. So today we're gonna be filming a 2021 skincare empties slash favorites video because I haven't filmed a skincare video in a minute. And I'm also gonna be filming a 2021 makeup favorites video. So if y'all are interested in my makeup content as well, be sure to check that out. That should be coming in a couple days after this one. I kind of just wanted to end the year off, round everything up, and go over my favorite products. There's been a couple gaps in my content, my uploads this year, and there's been a lot of products that I have shared with y'all, but a lot of things I also haven't shared. So that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. Before we get into it though, I do just want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers out there. Thank y'all so much for sticking around, constantly supporting my content, and helping me to grow my channel. If you are new here and you haven't already, please be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell button as well so that you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, let's get into it. It has been such a long year. Let me tell you, I was on Instagram the other day and somebody posted this meme and it was basically talking about this picture is only 11 months old, and it was the picture of Bernie Sanders with his hands and his legs crossed in a chair. I was like, oh my gosh, that feels like it was like 10 years ago. 2021 has been such a long year. Products. Okay, so I have everything gathered here in front of me and I'm gonna go through things in the order that I would use them in my skincare routine, just so I have sort of like a mental checklist as I'm going through things so I can keep things organized. I'm also gonna go ahead and write all the products that I'm gonna be mentioning down in the description, and as well I'll also leave a timestamp when I mention it. That way if you are interested in just certain products, you can go ahead and skip around. You don't have to waste your time. But with that being said, let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with cleansers, and actually this one I'm starting off with, it's in the cleanser category, but it's actually kind of like a multifunctional product. It is this Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. So like I said, I'm featuring this in the cleanser category, but this is actually a multifunctional product. It's a cleanser and an exfoliant 2-in-1. Now on its own, if you've got nothing going on really, just like skincare and stuff like that, it's okay as a cleanser, but I would definitely recommend using it as part of a double cleanse routine. If you are wearing makeup, waterproof sunscreen, stuff like that, it's definitely not good enough on its own as a single cleanser, but it definitely is effective as part of a double cleanse routine. And this combines a combination of both chemical and physical exfoliants. So we've got chemical exfoliants, things like pineapple, papaya, and bromelain, and then we've got rice and silk powders in here which provide a gentle physical exfoliation and buff away the dead skin cells. We've also got calamine extract in here which helps to soothe the skin and provide a more gentle exfoliating experience. And what I really love about this product is you can actually kind of customize your exfoliation experience and how abrasive you want your product. So if you want a more abrasive exfoliating experience, you just go ahead and add less water, and then the more water you add, the less abrasive it is. If you do end up trying out this product, I recommend not using it more than 2 or 3 times a week, just so that you don't risk over exfoliation and compromising your skin barrier. But I find 2 to 3 times a week for me, as someone with sensitive acne prone skin, doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't leave me feeling stripped, and gives me all the benefits I'm looking for in an exfoliating product. So now moving on to toner, we've got this Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So this is just a great all-around toner for promoting a more even skin tone and just all-around good skin health. The standout ingredient in here, as the name of the product might suggest, is niacinamide. And niacinamide is something I'm always talking about in my skincare videos. It's a great multifunctional skincare ingredient. It does have some skin evening and discoloration fighting properties, but in addition to that, it also just promotes good general skin health. It helps to regulate sebum production, reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. It's a great anti-aging ingredient. It helps to coax your skin into building and repairing its own natural lipid barrier. It does so many things, so I'm always looking to incorporate products with niacinamide into my routine. We've also got some other great skin evening ingredients in here, things like licorice root extract, arbutin, and vitamin C. So these ingredients are going to really help to fight and target discoloration. And with this, I notice if I do have discoloration or hyperpigmentation after a breakout, it fades a lot more quickly than it would on its own, especially when I use it in conjunction with other products meant to fight hyperpigmentation. And in addition, because of the niacinamide, it kind of just promotes a general skin health. I notice with this, my pores are less apparent and less visible, my skin is less oily, it just feels healthier and more moisturized. So I recommend this product really for all people. It's a great toner for really all skin types, but especially if you're someone that struggles with oily, acne prone skin and hyperpigmentation and you're looking to improve that, this is a great gentle product. So now we're gonna go ahead and talk about some serums. First, we're gonna talk about this Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Redness Relief Serum. So this is marketed as a ceramide serum, but honestly, I feel like the name of this product really short sells it on what it is and what it can do. Now it does contain ceramides in here. In fact, we've got all 5 types of ceramides. We've also got ceramide precursors in here, and these basically just coax your skin into producing its own natural ceramides. We've got soothing ingredients in here like allantoin and bisabolol. We've got avocado oil in here, which is rich in fatty acids, which also helps promote the health of your skin's lipid barrier, as well as moisturize and condition the skin. And we've got things like vitamin E, turmeric extract, and grape extract in here, which provide antioxidant support. We've also got niacinamide in here, which again, like I mentioned with the toner, is a great all-around multifunctional skincare ingredient. So with this, I really liked incorporating this when my skin was feeling a little stressed and I felt like my barrier was compromised. I would just use a pump or 2 of this and apply it to my skin as part of my routine, and I felt like it reduced the redness and the sensitivity relatively quickly, and it felt like my skin barrier was rebuilding itself. In addition, another great way that I like to use this was I was incorporating it after I would do an exfoliating treatment, just because exfoliation can kind of strip your skin's barrier a little bit and leave you feeling a little bit more compromised. So incorporating this after an exfoliating treatment is a great way to help instantly rebuild my skin's barrier a little bit. Another serum from Glow Recipe, we've got this Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This one, as the name suggests, is formulated to fight hyperpigmentation. So we've got 5 different types of vitamin C in here. Now vitamin C does help to fight hyperpigmentation and promote a more even skin tone, but just like niacinamide, again, it's kind of like a multifunctional skincare ingredient, and it performs a bunch of different other functions as well. It coaxes your skin into producing its own collagen. It's a great anti-aging ingredient. It's an antioxidant, all these good things. We've also got tranexamic acid in here, which is an ingredient that helps to promote a more even skin tone and fight hyperpigmentation. We've got antioxidants in here like vitamin E and ferulic acid. These antioxidants work synergistically with the vitamin C to boost not only its stability but also its efficacy. We've also got ingredients in here like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and snow mushroom extract, which are all humectant ingredients. They're going to draw moisture into the skin, boost the skin's natural hydration levels, and give you a more plumped appearance. Now I do want to say, when I was using this, it is a dark spot serum, but personally at that point I had found a pretty solid skincare routine and I wasn't struggling with hyperpigmentation that bad, so I can't really speak to the hyperpigmentation fighting abilities of this product too much. But I will say the remaining hyperpigmentation I did have did fade really quickly when I was using this product. It did just kind of give me a more bright and radiant appearance with consistent use, so I did want to make note of that. Another hyperpigmentation focused serum, and this one was the one that really helped me to snatch my skin up and get me on track. So it is this Topicals Faded Serum, and honestly, if I can't convince y'all of how good this product is, like you can see, I squeezed it to the very last drop. I was not about to waste no money on this. So like I said, this is honestly the best serum I've ever used for fighting hyperpigmentation. It just combines so many different ingredients that are clinically proven to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation all in one product, and it just snatched my skin up so quickly and was able to get rid of those dark spots that I was struggling with, even the ones that seemed to never really go away. So as far as the ingredients in here that fight hyperpigmentation, we've got niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, azelaic acid, glutathione, kojic acid, licorice root extract, and turmeric extract. And these are all good skin brightening ingredients that help to fight different pathways in the hyperpigmentation process that leads to the eventual formation of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, all that stuff. These ingredients are going to go in and disrupt that and really help to prevent hyperpigmentation from setting in the first place, as well as fading hyperpigmentation that you might already have. We've got ingredients like glycerin and squalane that help to hydrate and condition the skin. We've got Centella asiatica extract, bisabolol, and allantoin, and these help to soothe the skin. And talking about the ingredients, my one caveat with this product, it does contain coconut oil, and I only mention this because I am someone that has acne prone skin that does break out sometimes with coconut oil products. Now personally for me, I didn't really have a problem with that, and I love this product so much, and you know, if it was causing me issues, clearly I would not have used the whole product, but I did just want to go ahead and point that out. I would definitely recommend spot testing before you go ahead and jump in. But yeah, I can't really speak enough praises on this product. It really snatched my skin up and got rid of that hyperpigmentation. Definitely recommend getting your hands on this if you can. And then another hyperpigmentation fighting product, as you can see, I was really struggling with hyperpigmentation this year. It is this First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. So this is another good option for helping to fight hyperpigmentation. So the star ingredient in here, as the name suggests, is niacinamide, which, you know, we've already talked about. It's really good for helping to fight hyperpigmentation. We've also got licorice root extract in here to help fight hyperpigmentation, and we've got golden kiwi fruit extract, which is really rich in vitamin C. Again, vitamin C, another ingredient that's kind of one of those multifunctional skincare ingredients. It is going to help fight hyperpigmentation, but it's also going to promote collagen production, a more even and radiant skin tone, all these other things. Not as effective as the Faded Topical Serum, but still really good at fighting hyperpigmentation. And the last serum I'm going to talk about today is this Mychelle Remarkable Retinal Serum. This is a really good retinol retinoid serum, and what distinguishes this one from other retinoids and why I picked this one out specifically, here in the name Retinal, that actually refers to an ingredient in the product Retinol. So quick little tidbit, retinol is a pretty standard anti-aging ingredient found in a lot of products, but the thing about retinol is it actually has to go through 2 steps of conversion within your skin to an active form for your skin to use, first to retinal and then from retinal to retinaldehyde. So with this, we just skip straight to the retinal. So instead of having that 2-step conversion, we have a 1-step conversion. So with this, you see quicker results within the skin. Those visible results that you see with retinol, they usually say it takes about 8 to 12 weeks to start seeing results from that. So with this, because we have 1 less step of conversion, I really started seeing results from this within a month. And the main benefits I saw from this, a softening of my fine lines. I do have a more even skin tone, and as well, I've also noticed that I don't really have breakouts that much anymore. Generally speaking, I don't really get huge breakouts on my cheeks anymore. I don't remember the last time I had a breakout, a pimple on my forehead, honestly. And I honestly credit it to incorporating this product into my routine. In addition to the retinol, we've also got polyhydroxy acid in here to help provide a gentle exfoliation. Polyhydroxy acids really kind of just exfoliate on the surface level, and they don't go too deep into the skin, so they have a really low risk of irritation and over exfoliation. And we've got things like ceramides in here that help to repair the skin's lipid barrier, and then things like allantoin and aloe leaf juice to help calm and soothe the skin. All right, and now we're rounding everything off talking about the moisturizers. The first one I want to talk about is this Dr. Jart Cicapair Sleepair Intense Mask. So if you're someone that tends to suffer from redness, irritated skin, stuff like that, this is a great overnight treatment to go ahead and slap on and really have you looking good by the morning. This contains a proprietary blend of ingredients that Dr. Jart calls their green repair solution. Among the ingredients list, we've got 5 different types of Centella asiatica extract, glycerin, niacinamide, adenosine, peptides, turmeric root extract, and panthenol. So a really solid ingredients list, bunch of good ingredients in here to really help snatch up your skin and perform a bunch of different skin functions, really help fix up your complexion overnight. This is really thick in texture. You really have to spread this, and it's definitely not lightweight by any means. But that being said, it didn't clog my pores, it definitely didn't break me out. And in the morning, all you really got to do is wash your face off with some warm water, and it rinses away residue free. It doesn't leave behind anything. So with this, I would go ahead and slap it on if my skin was looking a little red, irritated, or angry. And when I woke up in the morning, I noticed that it looked significantly calmed. A lot of that redness was gone, and the tone was just significantly improved by morning time. So if you are someone that struggles with that, definitely an option to look into. Another moisturizer that I've enjoyed was this Naturium Retinol Complex Cream. So this contains encapsulated retinol as well as bacachule, which are anti-aging ingredients, and they help to fight fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, all that good stuff. We've got cottonseed oil in here to help calm the skin. We've got shea butter and sunflower oil, which are really rich in fatty acids and are really going to help to repair and restore that skin's natural lipid barrier. We've got hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and squalane as humectant and moisturizing ingredients in here to really help boost the skin's hydration. So this is another product that's really rich, but again, just like the Dr. Jart mask, it's rich, but it didn't break me out. It wasn't too rich for my skin personally. So with this product, it is going to take a little longer to see visible results if you're using it for the anti-aging benefits. I did feel like by the time I did go through the whole bottle, I was seeing some visible results and benefits from this. All right, we're getting towards the end of the video here, down to our last product, and it is this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Base Cream, and specifically this is the fragrance-free version. Now I wanted to go ahead and throw this product in here, give it a highlight, a shout out, because I've been really impressed with drugstore skincare releases this year, and this product in particular I was really impressed with. We've got a really solid ingredients list. We've got 2 types of peptides, glycerin, niacinamide, squalane, and hyaluronic acid. It's a good general purpose moisturizer. It doesn't do anything special or address any specific skin concerns, but if you're just looking for a nice lightweight all-purpose good for all skin types moisturizer, this is going to be your go-to. It's kind of like the Goldilocks of moisturizers for me. It's not too rich, it's not too lightweight, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's right in the middle. It's just right. It also doesn't leave my skin feeling tacky, and it leaves it feeling hydrated, but it doesn't feel like there's product left behind. And I really love that this is fragrance free. And they do have a version of this which has SPF in it, but unfortunately that one does have fragrance, and I would love to see e.l.f. come out with a fragrance free version of that. So e.l.f., if you're watching this video, chop get to it. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and give that a shout out, like I said, because it's a pretty solid drugstore moisturizer. Really been impressed with drugstore skincare releases this year, so wanted to go ahead and throw that in here and give it a shout out. But with that being said, that's actually going to be the end of this video, y'all. That is my 2021 skincare favorites. Those are all the products that I used up and enjoyed this year. I'm curious to know, what did y'all use this year? What are your 2021 skincare favorites, your skincare empties? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments what you've tried out this year, what you enjoyed. Let me know also if you tried out any products that you didn't like. Let me know down in the comments. I'm always interested to see not only what does work for people, but also what doesn't. So go ahead and leave those comments down below. Also be sure to leave a comment below for any video suggestions. If you have any video topics or video ideas ideas, be sure to go ahead and leave those down in the comments below. Like I said earlier, if you haven't already, if you're interested in skincare and makeup related content, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell button as well. And with that being said, I should be back shortly with new content. Bye.